Good morning students. Last class we have seen working rule to find global maximum and global minimum value of f of x in closed interval a comma b. Let us continue further. This is question number 7 and question here is find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum of this function when x belongs to 0 comma 3. Now look here. So we have to find f dash x. So f dash x is equal to, so 4 3s are 12 x cube minus 24 x square plus differentiation of x square 2x. So 24x minus differentiation of 48x, it is 48. Right. Next, I think we can take something common. So here I can say 12 into, tell me, here x cube minus, here I can say 2x square plus 2x minus 12 4 is 48. Next step, so this we can say 12 into, I think here we can take something common, x square I am taking common, x minus 2, and here we can take 2 common, you will get x minus 2, or this we can write as 12 into x square plus 2 into x minus 2. So first step is find f dash x. Second step is for local max or local min, condition is what? F dash x is equal to 0. Now put f dash x equal to 0. So what you will get? 12 into x square plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So one value is what? So I can say x is equal to 2. Right. You may think that this one x square is equal to minus 2. But positive value can never be equal to negative value. So I can say you cannot find. So only the value of x here is x is equal to 2. Next step is what? We have to find the corresponding values. So calculate f of 0. So put in place of x 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 25, you will get 25. Next, put x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to, so 2 power 4, 2 2s are 4, 16. So what you will get is 48 minus, so 2 cube 8, 8 8s are 64, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 12, 48 minus 48 into 2, 96 plus 25. So you can see here 48, 48, 96 cancel. So minus 64 plus 25, calculate. So how much? 25 will come and 14 will come. How much? 25 plus 14. So it is 39 but with negative sign. So you will get minus 39. Next, f of 3. So f of 3 is equal to, put 3 3s are 9, 27, 81, I think 243 will come, minus, so 3 cube 27, so 27 into 8, calculate, 8 7s are 6, 5, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, I think 216 will come, right. Next, 3 3s are 9 and 12 9s are, I think 108 will come, minus 48 into 3, calculate. So 3 8s are 4 will come, 2 will come, 3 4s are 12, 144 will come, plus I can say 25. So calculate this value. So what you will get here is, what I am doing here is, let us add positive values. So 243, 108 and 25. Add. So what you will get? 8 3 11, 11 plus 5 16. So here 7 will come and here 3 will come. So this is 376. minus, now add negative values. So 216 and 144 add. So 10 will come. So here 6 will come and 2 plus 1, 3 will come, right? So this value is nothing but minus 360. So which is nothing but it is 16. So what we did here is we found the value of f dash x. Then for local min or local max f dash x equal to 0, we got x is equal to 2. And we found the corresponding values at x is equal to 0, 2 and 3. The next step is what? Absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So let us see. So here I can say capital M is equal to maximum of, tell me, f of 0, f of 2, f of 3. Or this I can say M is equal to maximum of, what is f of 0? So it is 25 minus 39 and this value is 16. So what is the maximum value here? Maximum value is 25. So here I can say absolute maximum value is equal to 25. And at which point we are getting 25? At x is equal to 0. So similarly, so small m is equal to minimum of 25 minus 39, 16. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is this. So here I can say absolute minimum value is equal to, it is minus 39. And at which point we are getting? At x is equal to 2. So I think it is clear how to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum of f of x in closed interval a comma b. Let us proceed further. This is question number 9 and question is, what is the maximum value of the function sin x plus cos x when x lies between 0 to 2 pi. So this is question number 9 and question here is f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x when x belongs to 0 to 2 pi maximum value. Now look here. So same way, find f dash x. So f dash x is equal to differentiation of sin x, it is cos x. Differentiation of cos x, it is minus sin x. Next step, for local max or min, condition is what? Put f dash x equal to 0. So when you put f dash x equal to 0, what you will get is cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So send one term to other side. So this we can write as cos x is equal to sin x. This cos x I am shifting here. What you will get? Tan x is equal to 1. Now tan x is equal to 1 in 0 to 2 pi. Calculate. So one value of x is equal to, here I can say pi by 4 and other value is equal to, so 45. Next it is pi plus pi by 4. So it is 5 pi by 4. Question is find the maximum value. Now find the corresponding values. F of 0 is equal to, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. I am writing directly. Next, f of pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, do the rationalization, you will get root 2. Next, f of 5 pi by 4. So calculate sin 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is 225. So 225 means sin is negative and sin pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2. Again in third quadrant cos is negative. Again you will get minus 1 by root 2. Do the rationalization, you will get minus root 2. And f of 2 pi. So calculate f of 2 pi. So sin 2 pi is 0 and cos 2 pi is equal to, I think it is 1. Question is maximum value. So here I can say capital M is equal to, it is maximum of f of 0. Tell me. F of pi by 4, f of 5 pi by 4, and here I can say f of 2 pi. Now put the values. So capital M is equal to maximum of, what is f of 0? 1. F of pi by 4, it is root 2. This is minus root 2 and this value is 1. So no need to write, right? So no need to write. Question is maximum value. So here I can say absolute maximum value is equal to how much? Root 2. And at which point we are getting root 2? Pi by 4. At x is equal to, here I can say pi by 4. So this is the required solution. So I think it is clear how to find global max and global min of f of x in closed interval a comma b. Let us see one more question. This is question number 11 and here question is, it is given that at x is equal to 1 the function f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 0, 2. Question is, find the value of e. Find the value of e. Now look here. So for maximum or minimum we have to find f dash x. So f dash x is equal to differentiation of x to the power 4, 4x cube minus 2x. So 2 2s are 4, 124x will come plus differentiation of ax is a and differentiation of 9 is 0 because it is constant. What is given? Given f of x attains maximum value at x is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this line? Meaning of this line is f dash 1 is equal to 0. You will get maximum or minimum value at the critical point. So f of x attains maximum value implies f dash 1 equal to 0. So put 1 here. So what you will get? 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0. So from this, what is a? So minus 120 will go to other side. So a is equal to 120. So answer of this question is a is equal to 120. But let us see whether, okay, x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1 function attains maximum value or not. So this value I am keeping in the question. So question will become what? F of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 62x square plus 120x plus 9. Now calculate the corresponding value. F of 0 calculate. So 0, 0, 0. What you will get? You will get 9. Next. 1. So calculate f of 1. So here I can say f of 1 is equal to, calculate. So 1 minus 62 plus 120 plus 9. Now see here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 120. It is 130 minus 62. So here 30 will come and here 38 will come. So I think it is 68. So this value is equal to 68. And f of 2 calculate. So 2 2s are 4 and 16 will come minus 2 2s are 4. So 4 means 8 will come and here 128 will come plus here multiply by 2. 240 will come plus 9. 248 plus 240 and this is 9. Now see here. So 16 plus 9 it is 25 and minus 248 plus 240 is nothing but minus 8 and 25 minus 8 is nothing but here I can say 17. Now see, this is 9, this is 68, this is 17. So here I can say clearly f of 1 is maximum. Clearly f of 1 is maximum. So I think it is clear. Yes, sir. How to find global maximum and global minimum. The next question is question number 28. Minimum value of this and 4 bits are given. Now look here. So what is given? Function is given. So I can say this is nothing but f of x is equal to this. So we have to find minimum value. So for minimum or maximum we have to differentiate. So here I can say f dash x is equal to, so numerator divided by denominator. So division rule we can apply. So division rule is saying what? Denominator square. Denominator, so 1 plus x square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. So differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of minus x is minus 1 plus differentiation of x square is 2x minus numerator is what? 1 minus x plus x square into differentiation of denominator. So differentiation of 1 is 0, x is 1 and x square is 2x. Let us simplify this. So this we can write as multiply. So minus 1 I am multiplying with all. So minus 1 minus x square. Now 2x multiply with all. 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube minus. Now this one you multiply with all with sign. So minus 1 plus x minus x square. Now 2x multiply with all with sign. So minus 2x plus 2x square minus 2x cube whole divided by this I can say 1 plus x square whole square. Now tell me any cancellation. So you can see here 2x cube cancel. Next I think here 2x cancel. Next here minus x plus x cancel. Next now see here 2x square minus x square and this x square cancel. So minus x square 2x square cancel. So 2x square and here I can say minus 2. So 2x square minus 2 whole divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Or 2 we can take common. So when you take 2 common, what you will get? You will get x square minus 1. Yes or no? Divided by, here we can say x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So this is what actually, this is f dash x is equal to this. So find f dash x. Next step is what? Break it into linear form. So what is the linear form? F dash x is equal to 2 into x square minus 1 we can write as x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by, here I can say x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Next step, critical point. So coefficient of x is positive, critical point of this is minus 1, critical point of this is 1. And what about this? Can I say this is quadratic? So calculate d. D is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So what is b square? 1 minus 4. So d less than 0. D less than 0 means roots are, here I can say imaginary. So imaginary roots. So imaginary roots means what? Here I can say no critical point. So what we got? We got -1 and 1 as critical point. So what is the next step? Plot all the critical points on the number line in increasing order. In increasing order. So here I can say, tell me, one value is -1, 1. This I can say plus infinity. This I can say minus infinity. Since critical point is not repeated, alternate sign will come. So plus will come, minus will come, plus will come. Question is find the minimum value. So minimum means what? I can say this is nothing but what? Point of minima. So minus to plus means point of minima. So here I can say f. So what is minimum value? So f minimum at what point? 1. So f minimum at 1 is equal to. So put 1 in the question. So 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is what actually 1 plus x square. Now put in this, divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So both will get cancelled. So answer of this question is 1 by 3. So answer of this question is bit number D. The same question you can do by applying second derivative test, but I think it will be somewhat lengthy. So I think it is clear how to find maximum and minimum value. Let us see geometrical problems, and this is question number 17, and question number 17 is a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner. So it is square. So square means something like this. Right. And what is the side of square? It is given as 18 centimeter. So this is 18 centimeter, and this is also equal to 18 centimeter. Next, a square piece, okay, by cutting a square from each corner. So this is square, okay, cutting at each corner. Right. Now what we have to do is we have to find, okay, so that volume of the box is the maximum possible. So what I am doing, I am taking the length of this square to be x. Right. Now if this total is 18 centimeter, what about this? This I can say 18 and x and x. So this is 18 minus 2x. So this length is 18 minus 2x. So let us write the solution. So here I can say let x centimeter be the length of each side of the square to be cut from each four corners of a square. Four corners of a square. So what I am saying here is let x centimeter be the length of each side of the square to be cut from each four corners of a square. Next, volume of the box is. So next here I can say let V be the volume of the box. Volume of the box formed by folding by folding up the flaps. What is flaps is, if you remove the upper portion, so flap is nothing but overhang, overlap, yes or no? So when you cut the square of each length to be x, okay, it will form the box. So question here is, it is what? So that volume of the box is maximum volume. So here I can say V is equal to, so volume of box formula is what? It is nothing but length into breadth into height. So one length I took to be x, since it is a square, so what you will get is, you will get 18 minus 2x. Again I can say what? 18 minus 2x. I see here. So length is 18 minus 2x is here. Here also I can say what? This is also I can say 18 minus 2x. And height is nothing but what? X. Now look here. So let us multiply. So here 2 will come outside. Here 2 will come. So 2 into 2, 4. So here I can say 4x into. So how much? 9 minus x into. Here I can say 9 minus x. Or this I can say 4x. 9 minus x whole square. Expand. What do you? So 9 square is 81 plus x square minus, you will get 18x. Now multiply. So 4 ones are, or 4x into x square, you will get 4x cube. Now multiply this. 18 4s are 72, so minus 72x square will come, plus 81 into 4, so 4 will come, and 8 4s is 324x will come. Question is what? In question only answer is given maximum, yes or no? So maximum condition is what? Second derivative should be less than 0. Now this is V. Let us find the differentiation. So here I can say, tell me, dV by dx is equal to, so find differentiation. So 4 3s are 12x square minus here 144x plus here I can say 324. I think something we can take common. 12 I am taking common. X square minus 12x plus, I think 12 2s are 24 and 84. So 7. So this we can write as what? 12. So this we can write as, tell me, I can say x minus 9 will come, and here I can say x minus 3 will come. X minus 3. Now here, for maximum or minimum volume, for maximum or minimum volume, condition is what? dV by dx should be equal to, here I can say 0. Now calculate. So implies, what is dV by dx? So 12 into x minus 9 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So from this what you will get? You will get x is equal to 3. X is equal to 9 is not possible. The reason here is, see here, x lies from where to where? I can say what? If x is 9, 18 minus 18, 0, side cannot be 0. So x lies between, I can say 0 to 9. So x cannot be equal to 9. It implies x is equal to 3. Now calculate second derivative. So here I can say d square v by dx square is equal to, second derivative calculate. So what you will get? 24x minus 144. Or this we can take 24, we can take common. This we can say x minus. So I think 6 will come. Now put x is equal to 3 in second derivative. So what you will get? So here I can say d square v by dx square at x is equal to 3. Put. So what you will get? 24 into 3 minus 6. So 3 minus 6 is how much? So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So minus 72. So second derivative is negative. If second derivative is negative, what we can say? Therefore, I can say volume is maximum at x is equal to, here I can say 3. So finally I can say hence, tell me, hence volume of box, hence volume of box is maximum when side of square, when side of square to be cut off is, here I can say what, 3 centimeter. So this is the required solution. In the question what is given, maximum volume, and you can see here we also got maximum volume. So in the question only answer is given. So what we did here is, so 18 minus 2x is length, 18 minus 2x is breadth. Since it is a square, length and breadth both are same, and x you can see height. So box, volume of box formula is what, length into breadth into height. So calculate volume, differentiate, you will get dV by dx. For max or minimum volume, dV by dx is equal to 0. So the moment you put equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 3. X cannot be equal to 9, because if x is equal to 9, then you will see that one side will become 0. Both sides will become 0. So find second derivative at x is equal to 3. You will get negative. Negative means maximum volume. So I think it is clear how to solve geometrical problem. The next question is question number 18, and this question is similar to the previous one. Question is a rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. So 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. So this is a rectangle, and what is given, 45 centimeter. So this total I can say 45 centimeter, and this is 24. So from here to here I can say 24 centimeter, right, is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner. So corner, okay, is cut and it is in the form of square. So something like this. In the previous question square came, here it is rectangle. From each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum? So what I am doing, again I am taking, this is x, here x, here x, here x, and here x. If this is 45 centimeter, what about this length? This is 45 minus, here I can see 2x centimeter. Same way, this total is 24. So 24 means this length will be how much? This is nothing but, here I can say 24 minus 2x centimeter, I can say this length. So I think figure is clear, right? Now let us see this. So same I can say, let x centimeter be the length of each side of square to be cut off, okay, to be cut from each of the four corners, So what I am saying, let x centimeter be the length of each side of the square to be cut from each of the four corners. Let V be the volume of box formed by folding up by flaps. So flaps is nothing but, again, you can say overhang, overlap, yes or no. So if you take out, so one side it is hanging, yes or no. So that is nothing but flaps. Now question is what? Volume to be maximum. So here I can say volume V is given by box. I can say length, breadth, height. So since it is rectangle, so length you can say what? One is, I can say x, one is 45 minus 2x, and one more dimension is 24 minus 2x. So length is 45 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x, and height you can say x. Now look here. Now solve this. So this I can say x into, multiply 45 into 24, calculate. So 5 4s are 0, 2, 16. 16 means 18 will come. And 2 5s are 10. Yes or no? And here 8. So 2 5s are 10 means 1, 8. And here 9 will come. So how much it is? 0, 8, 1 0, 8 0 will come. So it is 1 0, 8 0. Next, minus, how much? It is 90x minus 48x plus, how much it is? 4x square. Now this we can write as, multiply, what you will get? 4x square into x, you will get 4x cube. Minus 90x minus 40, so it is minus 138 x square will come, plus 1080 x will come. So this is what? Volume. Next we have to find dV by dx. So here I can say, calculate. So here you will get what? dV by dx is equal to, tell me. So differentiation of x cube, 3x square. So 12x square minus 138 into 2. So 138 into 2. So 16 will come, 6, 7 will come, and here 2. So I can say 276x will come. And this is nothing but 1080. So I think something we can take common. So here I am taking 12 common. So what you will get? X square minus 12 2s are 24, 36. 23x will come, plus here I can say 90. Right, if you factorize, tell me what you will get. So do the factorization. So if you do factorization, what you will get here is, you will get, tell me, 12 into, so 23x, so I can write this as x minus 18 into x minus 5. This is nothing but dV by dx. Next step is what? Volume, maximum. So here I can say for maximum or minimum volume, condition is what? dV by dx is equal to 0. dV by dx should be equal to 0. So calculate. So what you will get here is 12 into x minus 18, x minus 5 equal to 0. So from this, I think you will get only one value, x is equal to 5. Why you cannot get other value? Now see here. So this is what actually 24 minus 2x. If x is 18, if x is, okay, if x is 12, what you will get? 24 minus 24 is 0. So you will get x is equal to 5. The reason here is, I can say x lies between 0 to 12. So it cannot take 12. If it is taking 12, this side length will become what? 0. So x lies between 0 to 12. So 18 cannot come. So x is equal to 5. What is the next step? We have to find what? Second derivative. So d square v by dx square is equal to, I think what equation we got? What equation we got? Or look here, dv by dx. So dv by dx is equal to, tell me, multiply. So 12 into what is this? X square minus 23x plus 90. So I think this is the value of dv by dx. Now calculate d square v by dx square. So d square v by dx square is equal to, calculate. So differentiation of x square, it is 2x minus differentiation of 23x, it is 20, and differentiation of 90 is 0. Next, so calculate d square v by dx square at x is equal to 5. So calculate, so 12 into, so 2 5s are, here I can say 10 minus 23, or what you will get, 12 into, you will get minus 13. Yes or no? And this is nothing but, I can say this value is what? Negative. So if second derivative is negative, what we can say? Volume is maximum. So therefore, here I can say volume is maximum at x is equal to, I can say 5. Yes or no? So finally I can say what? Hence, volume of box is maximum. Volume of box is maximum when side of square, to be cut off is, here I can say what? 5 centimeter. So this is the required solution. So if you see last two questions, almost the same. The first question, square is given, and in second question, rectangle is given. So how to solve geometrical problems is, first you have to find volume. Next you have to find dv by dx. Next, for maximum or minimum volume, dv by dx should be equal to 0. So you will get some values of x after satisfying the condition. Find second derivative at that point. Since question is maximum volume, so second derivative is negative. So we can say volume is maximum at x is equal to 5. So I think it is clear. So in the next class, we will see some more questions which are based on geometrical problems. So when you come to the next class, revise and then come. It will continue.